Most hollow timber boards that are being made today are either your longboards or your fish shapes. Our goal was to change that by making shortboards. And it took years of product development before I could say I'd actually made a board that was lightweight and high performance. We started out in a backyard shed with very few tools and very little understanding of how to create a timber surfboard. We printed out generic plans and were using handsaw to cut out our shapes for the ribs. We used half a door that we found lying on the side of the road to help create our jigs for the side rails. These days it's a little more sophisticated. I can make perfect plans for any custom shape on my computer and then cut them out with a laser cutter. Even with all that sophistication, there's still a massive amount of work that needs to be done by hand. To me, making these boards is a lot like making a musical instrument. They have to be fine-tuned to work perfectly for you. Light enough to be high performance, but braced well enough to be durable. There were a lot of revisions before the right combination of materials and construction techniques were found. We tried cork rails, but this was way too heavy. This was the first board I was really happy with. 100% Polonia, laminated rails, FCS fin plugs. I found it too difficult to get a good seal around the FCS plugs. With changes in pressure due to temperature, you'd always get a little bit of water coming in. I surfed this board pretty solidly for about 2 years and there's very little damage to it, no pressure dings. The only thing that happened was delamination in the centre, and that was due to bad glassing. With the next few boards I began experimenting with more intricate inlays, but I still couldn't quite get the nose right, it was a bit flat. I played with some more detailed inlays and finally got the nose right to the correct rocker by thinning down the top and bottom skins to a taper. This is the board I'm currently riding. Inlay with native West Australian timbers, much improved epoxy glassing, book matched solid timber for top and bottom, and glassed in bamboo fins. The weight is the same as a high performance lightweight 4 ounce fiberglass board